Good morning, guys. Welcome to our channel, Automation Academy. Our topic for today, Electrician Exam Preparation Guide. Chapter 1, Electrical Systems General Requirements. Question number 1. What is an assembly of one or more enclosed sections having a common power supply, bus, and principally containing motor control units called? A. Main distribution panel. B. Motor control center. C. Motor load center. D. Selector switch control center. Correct answer is a B. See the figure. Next, question number 2. A feeder is A. A circuit conductor between the final overcurrent device protecting the circuit and outlet. B. A branch circuit that supplies several outlets. C. All circuit conductor between the service equipment, the source of a separately derived system or other power supply source, and the final branch circuit overcurrent device. D. A device for generator electricity. Correct answer is C. See the figure. Next, question number 3. A banding jumper is A. A branch circuit that supplies only one utilization equipment. B. A reliable conductor to ensure the required electrical conductivity between metal parts required to be electrically connected. C. An adhesive used to insulate conductors. D. Capable of being operated without exposing operator to contact with live parts. Correct answer is B. See the figure. Next, question number 4. Externally operable means A. Capable of being operated from the outside of a building. B. An apparatus enclosed in a case. C. Capable of being operated without exposing the operator to contact with live parts. D. Surrounded by a case. Correct answer is C. See the figure. Next, question number 5. A bare conductor is one with A. Several layer of thermoplastic insulation. B. Only one layer of insulation. C. A covering that is not recognized by the NEC as electrical insulation. D. No covering or insulation whatever. Correct answer is D. See the figure. Next, question number 6. Which of the following anchors may not be used to secure electrical equipment to masonry walls? A. Lead anchors approved for weight of the equipment. B. Toggle bolts. C. Threaded studs shot into the masonry. D. Wooden plugs driven into holes in the masonry for holding wood screws. Correct answer is D. See the figure. Question number 7. A device designed to open and close a circuit by non-automatic means and to open the circuit automatically on a predetermined overcurrent without damage to itself when properly applied within its rating is called A. A. Non-fusible disconnect switch. B. Time delay fuse. C. Circuit breaker. D. Motor running overcurrent protector. Correct answer is C. See the figure. Next, question number 8. A separate portion of a conduit or tubing system that provides access through a removable cover to the interior of the system at a junction of two or more sections of the system or at a terminal point of the system is defined as A. Conduit body, B. Conduit junction, C. Conduit intersection, D. Conduit T connector. Correct answer is A. See the figure. Next, question number 9. A compartment or chamber to which one or more air ducts are connected and which form part of the air distribution system is A. Plenum, B. Duct, C. Fan coil unit, D. Air valve. Correct answer is A. See the figure. Next, question number 10. When an enclosure has been constructed so that exposure to a beating rain will not result in the entrance of water under specified test conditions, the enclosure is known as A. Rainproof, B. Drip-proof, C. Rain-tight, D. Multi-outlet assembly. Correct answer is C. See the figure. Next, question number 11. A large single panel or assembly of panel on which are mounted switches, overcurrent, and other protective devices will fall under the definition of A. General use switch, B. Thermal protector, C. Switchboard, D. Cutout. Correct answer is C. See the figure. Next, question number 12. Any electric circuit that controls any other circuit through a relay is called A. Remote control circuit, B. Power circuit, C. Overload relay, D. Motor control circuit. Correct answer is A. See the figure. Next, question number 14. A device that established a connection between two or more conductors by means of mechanical pressure and without the use of solder is called A. An explosion-proof connector with seal-offs, B. A pressure connector, C. A wire nut, D. A shrink connector. Correct answer is B. See the figure. Next, question number 15. A device intended for the protection of personnel that functions to de-energize circuit portion thereof within an established period of time when a circuit to ground exceeds the values established for the Class A device. A. Grounding electrodes device, B. Ground fault circuit interrupter, C. Guarded protector, D. Thermal cutout. Correct answer is B. See the figure. Next, question number 16. A branch circuit that supplies a number of outlets for lighting and appliances is what type of circuit? A. An appliance branch circuit, B. An individual branch circuit, C. A general purpose branch circuit, D. A multi-wire branch circuit. Correct answer is C. See the definition. Next, question number 17. A device used to govern in some predetermined manner the electric power delivered to an electric apparatus is called A. Controller, B. Heater, C. Governor, D. Motor starter. Correct answer is A. See the definition. Next, question number 18. Which of the following qualifying term indicate that a circuit breaker can be set to trip at various values of current, time, or both within a predetermined range? A. Accessible, B. Adjustable, C. Sitting, D. Cancelled. Correct answer is B. See the definition. Next, question number 19. An enclosed channel designed expressly for holding wires, cables, or bus bar is called A. hose, B. A raceway, C. A receptacle, D. A panel board. Correct answer is B. See the definition. Next, question number 20. In all cases where there are live parts normally exposed on the front of the switchboard or motor control center, the working space in front of such equipment shall not be less than A. 1 foot, B. 3 feet, C. 4 feet unless adequate protection is provided, D. 18 inches. Correct answer is B. See the definition. Next, question number 21. Working space in rooms containing electrical equipment shall not be used for A. Storage, B. Maintenance and repair of equipment, C. Testing purposes, D. Inspection of servicing. Correct answer is A. See the definition. Next, question number 22. The NAC definition of qualified person is one who A. has been elected by inspector office, B. has skills and knowledge related to the construction and operation of electrical equipment and installation and has received safety training on the hazards involved, C. has served 2 years apprenticeship training with a labor organization, D. has a college degree in electrical engineering and electrical technology. Correct answer is B. See definition. Next, question number 23. In locations where electric equipment would be exposed to physical damage, the following must be provided: A. warning signs, B. sufficient headroom, C. working space, D. enclosures of guards. Correct answer is D. See the figure. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe to our channel, Automation Academy, and comment down below, and don't forget to share the love. Bye bye.